Well, you know that we are celebrating our 60th anniversary of the rebirth of the modern Jewish state. Now, I think that it would not have been possible to reestablish the Jewish state without the support of many Christian Zionists.
Yep.
In the 19th century, in the 20th century, some of the great names that we know, for example, Lord Balfour, who was the secretary, the foreign secretary of Great Britain, who wrote the Balfour Declaration, which helped launch modern Zionism. He was steeped in these Christian traditions. Lloyd George, the Prime Minister of Britain, he was steeped in these traditions. Winston Churchill after them, and before them, during Queen Victoria's time. There was a great sentiment that then radiated also from Britain to the United States that said, we want to see the realization of the prophecies of old, that the Jews would gather the exiles and come back to their ancestral homeland and build their life anew. And so this was a widespread feeling in the non-Jewish world, in the Christian world, that created political support for the Jewish national movement.